Hello, smart cookies. We are going to see the fourth part of the lesson. What's the matter? So, what is meant by matter? Everything around us commonly exists as a solid, a liquid, or a gas. So, these things are called as matters. These things may vary in their color, shape, size, and the way they feel to touch. Such features of a thing are known as properties. All things have properties that help us to identify and describe them. So, the solids, liquids, and gases are referred to as the states of matters. Sometimes, when things are heated or cooled, their states of matter can change. For example, water on cooling it becomes as ice in a solid form. When the water remains as it is, it turns into the liquid form. When water on heated, it evaporates in steam, the gaseous form. Solid ice on heating it melts and turns into water. This process is called melting. The water when heated it forms the water vapor. It is called as evaporation. The water vapor when cools it condenses and turns back into water. This process is called as condensation. On further cooling it turns into solid ice. It is called as freezing. So, using this simple equation, we can easily understand the changes in the state of matter. Now, here is a think and ink activity in which observe the changes in states of matter in the given images. Now, describe the change in each image. Describe the process that caused the change. Here, one example is given. When the solid chocolate is heated, it melts to become liquid chocolate. Another example, when liquid juice freezes on cooling, it becomes solid cubes. When the liquid evaporates by heating, it becomes as a water vapor. So the liquid changes into gases. The solid ice cream when heated it melts to become as a liquid. So the solid ice changes into a liquid. Here 5.9 it is a very interesting activity. Look within activity. It is an interesting activity as I said. So which of these experiences make you happy? So here you might have ate the chips, ice cream, soups, everything. So which gives you more pleasure while eating this? While biting a crunchy solid that breaks when you bite, or by licking a creamy liquid that fills up your mouth, or by sipping a spoonful of steam hot soup. So which food item gives more happiness while you eat? So you can share how do you feel the experience in the given lines below. Everything around us commonly exists as a solid, a liquid, or a gas and is made up of matter. Sometimes matter that exists in one state can change to another state. Now let us discuss the answer for the concept map given. Things around us are made up of matter. So what are the three types of matter? Solid, liquid, and gas. So when solid, when you heat it becomes as a liquid, it is called as melting. When the liquid, when you heat it becomes as a gas, it is called as evaporation. When the gas it cools down, it condenses to form the liquid, it is called as condensation. When the liquid again it is heated, it becomes when the liquid again it is cooled, it becomes as a solid, it is called as freezing. Now let us discuss the properties of solid, liquid and gases. The property of solid is it has a definite shape. Solid can be cut or broken into smaller pieces. Solid keeps its shape when moved from one container to another container. It means that solids will not change its shape. The properties of liquid. Liquid does not have a definite shape. It means liquid is not having any definite shape. It takes the shape of the container it is filled. The liquid can flow when poured from one container to another container. The properties of gas. Gas does not have a definite shape. It can spread out to fill the container it is filled in, and it cannot be cut or be poured. Now let us discuss the answer for the question time. Fill-ups. Dash, dash and dash are referred to as the states of matter. Yes, of course, solid, liquid and gas are referred to as states of matter. Dash can be poured from one container to another container. Yes, absolutely. Liquid can be poured from one container to another. When things are heated or dash, their state of matter will be changed. So things are heated or cooled, their state of matter will be changed. The process in which liquid water becomes solid ice is called as freezing. Cooking oil is an example of liquid state of matter. Now let us discuss the answer for match the following. Here the process are given. We need to mark with the change in the state of matter. Freezing the liquid to the solid state. Melting solid to the liquid state. Evaporation liquid to the gaseous state. Condensation gaseous to the liquid state. Choose the correct answer. When ice melts, it changes from solid to liquid. So ice is a solid, and when it is heated, it becomes as a liquid. Now what is the odd one here? Milk, wood and brick. In this, wood and brick are solid and milk is a liquid. Things in the dash state can be cut or broken into smaller pieces. Yes, of course, things in the solid state can be cut or broken into smaller pieces. The state of water changes from liquid to dash when it evaporates. So the state of water changes from liquid to gas when evaporates. Rina blew air into a round balloon, while Rita blew air into a heart-shaped balloon. What property of air is this an example of? Yes, of course, air has no shape of its own. Air can flow. Air spreads in all the directions. So all the three properties are applicable for both the balloons. Now complete the following table with the properties and examples of the three states of matter. So now let us discuss the three states of matter with the shape and filling a container. Solid has a definite shape. Liquid is not having any definite shape, and gas also does not have any definite shape. Solid cannot be filled. Liquid takes the shape of the container, and gas, it also takes the shape of the object. Example for solid is biscuits, liquid is juice, and for gas is ball. Now let us discuss the process and the description of the change of state. Water turning into ice cubes. So this process is called as freezing. In this, liquid water on cooling, it becomes as a solid ice. Ice turning into water. This process is melting. So solid ice on heating becomes liquid water. Steam turning into water droplets. This process is called condensation, in which gas on cooling becomes liquid water. Now here is an interesting activity. This you can try in your home by making a milkshake. For this you need a cup of milk, half a cup of chopped fruits like banana, apple, mangoes or any other fruits you like, a scoop of ice cream, a mixer grinder, a tall glass, 1 spoon of sugar. So here the procedure is given how to make a milkshake. So this activity you can do with the help of your parents. Now add the milk, sugar and chopped fruit into your mixture. Close the mixer and beat the ingredients together until they are smooth and creamy. Add the scoop of ice cream and beat it again. Pour this into the tall glass. Your milkshake is now ready. Observe all the ingredients of the milkshake. Identify the different states of matter of the ingredients and the changes in the state of matter that occurred while you made the milkshake. Yes, of course, the milk, the chopped fruit is in a solid. The solid can be cut, so it is chopped. So the ice cream will be start to melt. Now using this we need to complete the given table. So the ingredients, the state of matter and what property of the ingredient helped you to identify the state of matter we need to fill here. Fruits is a solid, milk is a liquid, ice cream is a solid and sugar is a solid. So what happens to these things? You can write your own answer. After completing the activity, describe the changes in the state of matter that you observed while making your milkshake. Yes, of course, some of the items may be changed into another thing. For example, the solid sugar will be dissolved, the ice cream will be melted, the solid fruits can be cut. So like this many process has been happened, isn't it? So those things you can write here by describing in your own words. Thank you children. Have a nice day.